Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Roll. Look, what is it? It's a ball. It's a ball.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Nataki, pediatric speech language pathologist, and I'm here today to help you work on speech and language at home. Welcome back to episode 2 of how to use everyday objects for speech and language opportunities. Today, I'm going to talk about Play-Doh. Play-Doh is one of the most versatile toys out there, and you can get it from pretty much anywhere. You can get the on-brand Play-Doh brand, or you can get off-brand Play-Doh at 99-cent store, Target, and you can even make it yourself. The sky is the limit when it comes to introducing vocabulary with Play-Doh. You can make different things, like you can roll it into a ball, you can create little sculptures, introduce verbs like eat or drink it, put it in a cup, and you can combine it with any object or any toy that you have laying around your house. The most important thing to remember is the best toy for your child is you. In this video, I'm working with a child with Play-Doh, and I'm combining it with Mr. Potato Head and cars because he loves cars. So check it out.
What?
Should we make it bigger?
Yeah.
Or should we make it smaller?
We spiker.
Make it smaller?
Yeah.
Okay, how about that? Is that better?
No.
You want to make it
Big.
big? Put more on?
Yeah.
Should I put it on top or on the bottom?
A top.
On top, okay.
A button.
On the bottom? Oh, like that?
No, I don't
No.
know her. Top.
On top. Oh, very good. Okay. Wow.
I just made a tail head.
You made a potato head. Which one?
That one.
What is it?
A mouse.
A mouth. Okay. Should I put the eyes behind him?
No.
No.
Let's see it.
Right there. Let's see. Push. Okay.
Let's see more.
More? Okay, what do you want next?
Ear.
Ears. Oh, here's the ear.
One ear.
You want ear?
Yeah.
You want another ear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not ear.
Here's another ear. I want her to have a cat?
Yeah. A cat.
A cat?
Yeah.
What sound does a cat make?
Meow.
Meow. Meow. But what does he need? How does it walk?
A feet.
It needs feet. Where's your feet?
We
Yeah. Where's my feet?
We here.
Yeah, good job. Where's Mr. Potato Head's eyes? Good job. Where's your eyes? Yeah. What do you do with a banana?
Eat.
You eat it. That's right.
Done.
Done. Oh,
Look. Tiger.
look. Which one's big? Where's the big banana? Good job. Where's the little banana? That's right. All right, let's make a mountain for your car.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a big mountain. Should we make it bigger
Yeah.
or smaller?
Big.
Bigger. Let's make a big mountain. Let's go over the mountain. Ready? Here he goes. Over the mountain. Ah! Vroom. You try.
Okay.
Make him go over the mountain.
Boom.
Wow. Oh! Wow! He fell down. Go over the mountain.
Why?
Oh, more?
Yeah.
Say more Play-Doh, please.
Please.
Good job. Put it on top or underneath?
Annie.
Underneath?
Yeah.
All right. Underneath,
No.
we'll make a big mountain.
No,
Wow.
that one top.
Oh, you said underneath. Okay, you want to go on top?
Yeah.
All right. Let's make it go on top. Thank you for clarifying that. All right, he's going to go over.
Yeah.
Over the mountain. What about around? Can you go around?
Yeah.
Woo, burp, 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 burp. Let's recap on the vocabulary that we just worked on in this short session. We worked on big and little, top and bottom, going over and under the mountain, going around it. We worked on simple WH questions like what sound does a cat make? And we labeled various facial features with Mr. Potato Head like eyes, nose, and then we also introduced pronouns like mine and yours. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel and feel free to share this video with whoever else you think will benefit from it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.